In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert chi symbol in MS Word. If you often work with scientific documents, mathematical expressions, or academic papers, there may be times when you need to include Greek characters in your writing. Microsoft Word makes it easy to add these special symbols directly into your document, and once you understand where to find them, the process becomes very simple. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps to insert the chi symbol, a Greek character that is commonly used in statistics, mathematics, and scientific notation. To begin, open your Microsoft Word document and make sure the file you want to edit is visible on your screen. This can be a new document or an existing one where you plan to place the symbol. Once your document is open, position your cursor exactly where you want the chi symbol to appear. Placing the cursor first ensures that the symbol will be inserted in the correct location in your text. Next, move your attention to the top of the Microsoft Word interface and locate the Insert tab. The Insert tab is where you can add various elements to your document, such as pictures, tables, charts, shapes, and special characters. Click on this tab to open its tools and options. After opening the Insert tab, look toward the right side of the toolbar where you will find a section labeled Symbols. Click on the Symbols option to reveal a small menu. From this menu, choose More Symbols. Selecting this option opens the Symbols dialog box, which contains a wide collection of characters from many languages and writing systems. Once the Symbols window appears, you will notice several options that help you narrow down the characters displayed. On the right side of the dialog box, locate the Subset drop-down list. Open this list and scroll until you find the option labeled Greek and Coptic. Selecting this subset filters the available symbols so that only Greek characters are displayed, making it much easier to find the one you need. Now, take a moment to scan through the symbols shown in the window. Look for the chi symbol, which visually resembles the letter X. This character is widely used in formulas and scientific references. When you find the symbol, click on it to highlight it. Finally, look toward the lower right corner of the dialog box and click the Insert button. As soon as you do this, the chi symbol will appear exactly where your cursor was placed in the document. And that's all there is to it. You have successfully inserted the chi symbol into your Microsoft Word document, allowing you to include precise notation whenever it is needed. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.